Hi, first grade friends, and let's get ready for Fundations. The materials you will need today is paper and a piece of cardboard. Remember, I want that cardboard under your paper to make your words bumpy, a notebook, and a red crayon. Today's objective is I can identify and read the word family at, add, and app. We are going to review our trick words for the week. So make sure right now you are putting your paper on top of your cardboard to make your word bumpy. And we're going to get prepared to practice the word his. So go ahead and on your piece of paper, write the word his with your red crayon. Good. Now we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to trace over the word, each letter, and say the word. And we're going to feel, spell, and say his. So let's start tracing. H-I-S, his. H-I-S, his. Good, one more time. H-I-S, his. Remember, we want to trace and spell 3 times. Our next trick word that we're going to practice is. So go ahead, write the word is on your paper. Make sure you're using that red crayon. Okay, let's get ready to trace the word is. We're going to take our pointed finger and we're going to trace and spell and say the word. Ready? I, S, is. I, S, is. I, S, is. Good. And last, we are going to practice the word of. So let's get our paper and our cardboard ready. And we are going to write the word of on our paper. Let's get ready to trace the word of. Use our pointer finger. We trace, spell, and say the word 3 times. Ready? O, F, of. O, F, of. O, F, of. Good. Can you tell a parent or a family member a sentence using these 3 words? Now let's get ready to echo. Anytime you see Echo the Owl, you need to repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, box, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Good. Now you're going to pause the video and stretch out those vowel sounds. Go ahead, start. Good. So we are going to review the at, the add, and the app word families. So we learned a lot about these word families, that we can make a lot of words using those last two sounds in these word families. So what words can you make with the app ending? Well, in our picture here, we see a map. Now I can take the first letter of this word and change it to make a different word, but I leave the A and the P alone because they are part of the app family. So I can also make cap. I can change that C into a T to make tap. I can change that T to an L to make lap. And I can also change that L to an S to make sap. So if I can read map, I can read cap, tap, lap, and sap. Just the first sound is changing. What words can you make with the add ending? So this boy is sad. What other words could I make using add? Well, I can change the S sound to an M to make mad. I can change M to B to make bad. I can change that B to a P to make pad. And I can change that P to an R to make rad. Notice how I'm just changing the first sound to make a new word. What words can you make with the at ending? So here we see a cat. I can change that C into an S to make sat. I can change that S to an M to make mat. I can change the M to a P to make pat. Then change that P to a B to make bat. So all I did was change the first sound to make different words. And now that you can make different words by changing the first sound, you can read all of them as well. So to review, if I can read cat, I can read bat, mat, rat, bat, hat, sat, chat, and that. If I can read sad, I can read bad, mad, dad, fad, pad, tad, rad, and glad. And if I can read map, I can read tap, sap, rap, lap, pap, trap, clap, and scrap. Now you are going to review and try all of these words on your own. Have a great day.